Good morning. Today, I thought I'd just do a dedicated video to walking across possibly the most beautiful bridge in the world. Charles Bridge in Prague. Now note it's 7:30 in the morning on a Sunday in February. But you will notice the amount of people walking around, some people from the night before.
Exactly, Steve. Got it. You fucking nailed that. Nailed it right there.
Back again.
Hang on, no. A little bit further. No, you go across. Go under the arch. You gotta go under the arch.
I'm going to put it out on the limb. Inter divos hypogracias Latin Greek. A lot of Scottish over here actually. I don't know, maybe it's the climate. These lovely sculptures dominating the bridge. Intricate details. Ooh, you don't want to see me. And many photographers. Hey, I was one too. And off to the side we have these lovely little rivers. Look at this one. This one's fantastic. I think the stones to prevent frost or something because we are at cold temperatures. It rained last night, so look at this beautiful work. Don't know if you can see much detail on it. Getting in all the photographers' videos, photos and stuff. Everyone smiling and happy. This place will be crowded during the summer. Like this is still considered empty in standards. See, more. And then we have the river. Good, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Ah, good. Photographer I helped out earlier on. I'm gonna zigzag because we might as well make the video of it. Here's the other side. Nice place to go for a few pints, some riverside places, and then there's also some river cruises you can do. A few drinks on board. Well, you're in Czech, you have to have a beer. Busy old gold morning. Just a wonderful city. Let's see if we can focus on this one here. This is like stone carved, and even look at the knee, the details on the knee there. You know, toes, everything. This is the bridge from the other side. I'm just going to quickly grab a I do have to admit now, I got a great night's sleep last night. I just passed out at like midnight. Woke up at 6. Lots of stuff to do today. Lots of videos. And we will have lots of content to edit from Prague. I love this one because it's got some gold in it. You never know, one of these days I could walk down here and just bump into Blackpink. You just never know. Fingers crossed. Nobody realises the effort put into the photos and the selfies and getting up first thing in the morning. And then you have this dominant tower at the very end that releases you into the city. Everyone trying to find that little angle to get their photo from. Everyone with cameras. River paddling things. More drinking area beside the water. Beautiful. And then even the pigeons are friendly. Hello, pigeon. Yeah, see, he just flew off. Yeah, we got away with it this morning. It wasn't too rainy or too bad, but a little wet. Oh, you can go up this one. No, I haven't enough for spending so much money I am. You would easily spend a lot of money here. Even though certain things are cheap, it just racks up like. Oh look, there's a washing closet there. Could have used that the other day. There's another one there. Ah yeah, there's lots of them. So the plan, probably still too early, like we'll probably almost go back to the hotel for like breakfast now. It's only 6:30, like. Plan was to do that till about 8 or 9, but I got all my shots. Now we're heading towards the centre for the astronomical clock, see what time they open but today, then the powder store, see what the powder tower, see what time that opens up at. And I didn't want to finish this until I see one of these 1980 trains go by. That's a new one. Great. Nice. I think I'm going to end that walking video out there. I'll probably just only take a snippet out of it for a tour video, but I think some people can't walk that bridge, they can't travel here, they can't afford it. In medical conditions, there's several reasons not to be able to do it. So I'll have to bring them across virtually.